So every now and again we get a customer up the mountain that wants us to come out and remove trees away from their house. So today we're working up in Happy Jack. We're gonna remove these 2 trees from the back of the house. We're removing this one. As you can see, we've cut the top off of it. And then we removed this one over here. So 4 trees for this nice gentleman, retired police officer. Thank you for your service. And a nice, cool, mellow day up in Happy Jack. Boys are getting after it. Bingo. Arizona Tree Trimming and Removal. We'll go out on a limb for you. 480-794-0706.